How to export account data from Signal. Are guys facing issues to export account data from Signal application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open the Signal app on your laptop or mobile devices. Once you open the app, now log in into your account with your registered email and password. As soon as you get logged in, tap on your profile icon in the top left corner. Then go to Settings and tap an account. After you click an account, scroll down and look for the option called Transfer Account or Export Data. This lets you securely move your account and message to new device. Signal doesn't support exporting plain text chats for privacy reasons, but it allows encrypted transfers. If you are switching phones, install Signal on a new device, tap Transfer or Restore Account, and you scan the QR code shown using your old phone. This securely moves all the messages, settings, and account info to a new phone. And if you are not sure how to complete any of these steps, make sure to check out our other videos on this channel for full guidance. And that's it guys, that's how you're gonna export data from your Signal account. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.